Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix FaceTime app is not working. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If your FaceTime app is not working, first of all you have to open the settings. Let me tell you that there is a network problem. Maybe that's why your FaceTime is not working. So first of all you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, then turn this off. Now wait some seconds, and after that guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, just simply tap on Wi-Fi, then turn off your Wi-Fi, then turn it on again. You can also turn to mobile data. If you're using mobile data, turn to Wi-Fi, then scroll it on, then tap on general. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version. Then scroll it on and just simply you have to go to date and time. Basically when your date and time is wrong, some apps are not working, so you have to make sure that your date and time is correct. Then close this page. Now after that scroll it on and also make sure that you are not connected with VPN. Then from here guys, just simply you have to tap on transfer reset, tap on reset, just simply you have to reset the network setting. So these are the network settings, so you have to do this first and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open the settings, then scroll it down and locate for the FaceTime app. Here it is guys, just simply make sure that your FaceTime is enabled. If this is enabled and still not working, just simply disable it. Then force restart your device. After force restarting your device, just simply open the setting and again you have to locate for the FaceTime. From here guys, just simply enable FaceTime again, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.